Hi, don't miss a thing. See 4K detail day and night. Spot tiny features on any potential trespasser, human or animal, with eufyCam 3 even at night. The Starlight photosensitive system enhances low light conditions for clarity and color. Forever power durability. eufyCam 3 is self-sustaining in any outdoor environment, with an integrated solar panel only needing 2 hours of daily sunlight for forever power. Local expandable storage. With eufyCam 3, you're in control of your own data with military-grade encryption. You can even install a hard drive, not included, to expand to up to 16 terabytes of storage, all for no monthly fee. The operating system will occupy a portion of the built-in storage capacity. Bionic Mind AI empowers your security. See the true potential of your security with Bionic Mind, providing facial recognition that differentiates between family and strangers with self-learning AI. Put yourself in control. Feel at ease conveniently controlling eufyCam 3 with voice activation via Alexa and the Google Assistant, and clear two-way audio. You can even set activity zones to avoid false alarms. See every detail when you are needed and capture those magic moments with sharp 720p clarity. Big screen viewing. The large 5-inch monitor allows you to see your baby's environment clearly, giving you complete peace of mind. Be there throughout the day. The battery allows for 30 hours of monitoring in regular usage scenarios, default mode. For more frequent checkups and continuous monitoring, the battery will last for 12 hours. Nighttime checkups made easy. Crisp night vision gives you a clear view of your little one as they snooze. Whole room coverage. See every inch of your baby's room as the camera pans 330 degrees to see corner to corner and tilts 110 degrees to see floor to ceiling.